Want to convert iPhone video into an audio file? Follow this simple trick. First, make sure the video is saved on your device.
I will be the last to leave.
Now, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Tap on the search actions. In here, type Encode Media. Tap on Encode Media from the results to add it. In the bottom, tap on the small info icon. Now, turn on Show and Share Sheet. And then tap Done. Expand the Encode Media option. And turn on Audio Only. You can leave the audio format at the default value, which is M4A. Now tap on the search bar again. And type Save File. Select Save File from the results to add it. Expand the Save option below and make sure the Ask Where to Save option is turned on. Tap on the Save File at the top, and then select Rename. Change the name to something like Video to Audio, and tap on Done. Go back to the home screen, and open the video. In the bottom left, tap on the Share button. Scroll down and select the shortcut you created, which is Video to Audio in my case. This will open the Files app. Tap on Open to save the audio file. Now go to the Files app, and you'll see the converted audio file there. You can tap on it to play the audio.